It's over here.
Alright, good.
The what?
Wonder was it that thing?
I could see it smoking inside.
Let's have a. That kind of plus goes for.
Holy cow. Holy cow.
I think the bees are still there.
You felt that. I felt that.
You could see that bottle just saying, oh my God, this hurts.
It's just smoking.
Wow. I'm impressed.
Which one do you guys think was louder?
That one.
I had my ears covered.
I don't know there's so much force behind those.
I see some bees out there.
I'm wondering what the hell's out.
I don't think you destroyed their home though.
No, I don't think I did either. It would have been better if somehow the bottom of the bottle started to break first.
What you could do is, if you have time, is throw a bunch of dirt on top of it, completely cover the bottle, because then you'd have stuff flying through the air when that thing blew up.
John and Chase buried one in sand. It blew up real big. They left it there, then eventually they went and undug it, and it just sat there swelled up like a massive penis. That was their analogy. It didn't blow. It was just humongous.